prepaid version. As you can see, this is new design. Lots of things changed, and this is voltage showing meter. As you can see, really nice this one. 3 headlight version. Downside have LED light, signal light left and right. This is brake light. Disc brake, as you can see, both on disc brake, and back side have also shock, front side have also shock. Now available 3 color: black, blue and red color. All are nice. Only RW brand, Rohano's brand. Check the grip, it's really nice. As you can see, it's really nice. If this one blue color, so that's why color showing blue color light. If red, then red. If black, then black showing. This is really nice. So I'm gonna show you this maximum speed. As you can see, I start. This maximum speed is 66 km/h. As you can see, this is really powerful. Also, you can fold this scooter very easily. If you want, you can use this seat, and if you want, you can remove this seat also from here. Just open the scoop, then finish. Now I'm gonna show you how can it fold. Very easy to do. See, just simple things to do, like this. Okay, then open this little push. Turn like this. Then open this one from here. Little push only. Little push. After fold, as you can see, this is fold. Also, you can fold this handle very easy also. Not so hard. Just like this. This one also folds like this. Both on folding. Very easy to do. Very nice this one. Now available 3 color: red, black and blue. New design, E10 off-road version 2022. This is Pro version. It has 48V 13Ah battery, 1000 watts motor. Per charge you'll get mileage 30 to 40 km, and this maximum speed is 60 km, 60 up. But when you drive in, you will get a speed 55 to 60 km like this. And charging time only 6 hours. As you can see, this is really nice. This Pro version you are getting only 1,450 dirham and 90 days motor and battery warranty. Now I'm gonna show you how can this work. Let's enjoy it, guys. And also this is for right button. Now I'm going for right. We want to doing business with you guys. Just need your support. Help us to grow in our community. That's it for today. It's time to say goodbye. Khuda Hafiz.